presenting a pre-owned 2022 Cadillac. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 13,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability, control, and traction control.